We'll guide you through how to change dark color to light color in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve the appearance of their images by fixing dark or dull colors. Many users, especially beginners, struggle with lighting and color adjustments in Photoshop. Learning how to make colors lighter helps them create brighter, clearer, and more professional-looking designs for social media, school, or creative projects. To change a dark color to a lighter color in Adobe Photoshop, start by opening the program on your computer. Click the Windows Start button, type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, and when it appears, click Open to launch it. Once the application is ready, begin by creating a new document so you have a workspace to edit. Click File in the top left corner, then click New to open the document setup window. Move your cursor to the Art and Illustration section and select the 1000 pixel grid preset. After selecting it, click the Create button to open a blank canvas. Next, add an image or object that contains a dark color. You can do this by clicking File, then clicking Open to choose an image from your computer, or by dragging your image directly into Photoshop. Once your image is on the canvas, click Image in the top menu to start adjusting it. Then click Adjustments and choose Brightness/Contrast from the list to open the adjustment panel. Increase the brightness slider slowly to make the dark color lighter and more visible. If the image starts to look too flat, adjust the contrast slider slightly to improve the balance between light and dark areas. For additional control, you can use another adjustment option. Click Image again, then click Adjustments, and select Hue/Saturation. In this panel, increase the lightness slider to further brighten the color and enhance the overall look. Take your time while adjusting these settings to get the best result. After you are satisfied with the changes, click OK to apply them to your image. Make sure to review your work carefully to ensure the color looks natural and not overexposed. Once everything looks correct, save your file so you do not lose your edits. Click File, then click Save as to open the Save window. Type your desired file name in the provided field. Choose your preferred format if needed, and then click Save. Your edited image is now ready to be used or shared.